Hello, everyone. So, today is the 30th of June 2024. Yeah, it's a normal weekend, and you know, there are a lot of things happening. However, I would like to quickly tell you that today is my girlfriend's birthday. So, let me give you a bit of context as to who my girlfriend exactly is. I have already discussed about her in multiple videos and some episodes of my podcast and on my bonus set podcast also. However, I'll just give you a bit of an idea on who she really is. So, her name is Althea Alvarez. She's 50 now, which sounds bad, but just shut up about it because she really doesn't like bringing up about her age gap. Like, she just doesn't really mind it. However, she's 15 now, as like right now on June 30th. Then she lives in Davao City. So yeah, we are in a long distance relationship, and she's a an overall great person. She has an amazing personality, very talented woman, has a bright future ahead, unlike me here who's making these kinds of videos. But I would like to just show you a conversation that we had over on Facebook Messenger, because here in the Philippines, over half of the population use Facebook as a primary social media platform. So we used Facebook Messenger to have a conversation. WhatsApp isn't really popular, like really, really popular amongst young people here, including me. And yeah, so here is a conversation that we had over on video. Hello.
Hello.
Bro, ano na?
Lai. Kabalo ka mo lang, oy.
Oh,
We,
look.
ako dili kay last time nalunod ko.
Mopod.
Di ko kabalo.
Swimming lesson
Saan paglang? No.
Oh.
Okay, kwarta.
Oh, yung may kailangan ng...
Tirit. Para pa pa pa. Ano?
Saman.
Unsa?
Saman.
Ay, yate na kaya yata palabas?
Wala. Japan ko.
Unsa?
Duolingo.
Okay.
Get more with Super Duolingo.
Saman.
Yeah.
Oh.
Happy anniversary to all the business leaders. Saan mo pa rin mong kipag-share na?
Uy, ano na naman? Wala, soso.
Okay po. Ano po pa lang lalagay sa cake? Happy anniversary to the world and one. Kikatawa. Huwag lang sa Nick Clods. Kasi Nick.
Ina.
Gihubog yung shirt.
Oh, hell na pala.
Gusto mo eh. Kadok. Mismo. Sobra.
Saman. Oh.
Unsa?
Saman.
Nagbasa-basa ako dere. Unsa ka?
Wala.
13 years ago. Singer mo, di ka.
Karon pa.
Bong. Since birth naman di ka singer.
Yeah. Dugay na ako sa igkanta. Pila pa ko yung idadana. Sorry.
Bong. Sapat na. Kapag di kami masipag, di kami kagayan. Di ba katuning kangkong chip na lalaki?
Oo. Siya na.
Okay? Mabangis pero may namimiss.
Really.
Inagay ko naman lahat at ibo. Buang ni siya eh. Siya naman yung mga gitar ko. Sige, glove posting bihana eh. Ay, di ba mo man yung account since kanos ano yung account? Ilan na di ka years?
2017.
Pwede di ko mag-scroll dre.
Wala.
Yung mga ipang post dati.
Wala. Sige, good.
Kusig lang.
Sige, good.
You made us proud. Kasi may mga anak kami dahil ini is atong 14 years old. Kasi may isa.
Sa 14 years old.
Itong yung manghod ba? Ini, kasi may isa
15.
naka-grade.
15 ako mga.
Mas taas pa rin ako, no?
I guess. Para sa mga
Sila,
true sa akong ate. Ako manghod. Sla! Ano ba height mo? 5 sarado? Sige, sige.
Mas taas pa din ko, ay salamat. Ay salamat, Diyos ko Lord. Diyos salamat. Me when I marry my type. Di naman ko pala hubog. Dili na po pala hubog.
Sos. Lasod.
Namang gyud. Namang gyud. Di naman. Sa May 26, May 25, kita paan.
Lang. Sinasag na.
Wala. Scroll ko taman. Kanasagan ni mo nagbulag
July 1 last year.
last year, okay. Pwede pa.
Lo.
Gusto ko makapag.
Uy, pwede pa. Uy.
Joke lang gani. Unsa man na siya eh. Nag-joke ako. April. Pisti daga na po na nigipang share. Oy,
Magbuka.
March. Dili. Na-shock lang.
Yes.
March. Wala mo di ka nag-ano, no? Dili ka
unsa?
wala ka nag-love post
Oo.
before.
Focus
Yata kay kano before ko na abot.
na. Dili blackboard ako.
Yate. February. So, ni Saya, Girl in the Mirror.
Sama na.
Girl in the Mirror.
Ah.
Asa ka ani?
Aman.
Asa ka ani? Ikaw na yun sa likod.
Asa. Likod sa.
Ikaw din nasa likod na naka-uniform. Mura magnig ka magigiti.
Wala ko kabalo sa kasabot to. Ano maka?
February 23.
Be?
February 23.
I-like
Look,
daw. Or i-heart.
ang ganda as di February 22 na paniginahangaan.
Lo.
Sana all.
Sana sad.
Nice man di mo relationship sa imong magulang, no?
No, dahil.
Di mo mag-away ani, no?
Sa ako ang
Di mo
unsa?
nag-away sa imong magulang.
Ay, sa ako ang magulang. Oh.
ako na yung relationship.
Mm.
Sa ako lang kami sa kumanghod.
Similar ra magud mi sa kung ate manggod.
Layo ra kami similar sa kumanghod.
Mm. Parehas mi na
Spot the
uyab,
difference.
parehas mi na ay kuan like failing ni sa school. Parehas mi
Oo.
mindset.
Unsay course
parehas
mo
mi
ate?
Civil engineering.
Ulo. Dato na yung ate sunod ba?
Oo, makayo ra kog kwarta na. Musugot ra pud.
Kuya, sumate eh.
Kuya.
Atek ni mo failing. Failing.
Yung ganan mga yun.
Nya kuya kay kurso gikuha si mate.
Uy. Bagsak gani siya ron.
Yate sure eh.
Mo gani wala siya diri ron kay nag-summer.
Sure eh.
Yeah.
Ano
Sakit
kung
daw ako
katoo?
ate ron.
Ay,
Lagi sakit ata ako ang ate ron. Nada sa
wala
clinic sa-
nagating na kong balik. Ay, testa.
Ah.
Punta, na-accept mo na. Diba, nanay doon ka cellphone si ate.
Oo.
Ihatag niya ang cellphone ni mo sa kuha.
Ami tong cellphone be.
Ano?
Ako tong ipaayo.
Ah. Hilason.
Kasi inoy ako ang magyapon to.
Pero,
Ay, spot the
Pero,
different. Pwede mo pasok.
Mainly sa aqua siya. Di mo na ako dapat ihatag sa imo ha. Oy be. Anda sa cellphone be. Anda cellphone. Asa? Ang bebe, di naman ito ma-charge kay guba ang battery.
Church man.
Pila percent?
Para bogs.
Nga, di ganit na ma-charge nyo kay guba ang battery. Oh. Ay.
Di ba golan sa inyo ha?
Wala man.
Wala. Sure eh.
Oh. Aldred.
Chicken like Molly.
Ano naman dan?
Chicken like Molly.
Hindi pa maon. Hindi na maon.
Wa man na kuan on.
Ano lang, magtagal lang bago masok.
Chicken like Molly.
Ito!
Chicken like Molly.
Alam ko. Para to.
Di ba yan ako kinina na akong cellphone?
Isa to.
Chicken like Molly.
Kapit sa to.
Kuang charger.
Ay, sorry. Ano ito? Tro?
Ay, mama. Kulay
Sige lang, sunod din.
Ha?
Dili.
Ano?
Dili.
Wait.
Anong nakuha ni mo?
Doon naman ang cellphone daw ni ate. Gihatang na doon.
So,
So, it still
it's
is.
still in my authority.
Pero imo lagi
It's
pero
still my thing.
parengon ka nga find the keepers. Oh.
Finder keepers when?
Katong tablet.
Finder keepers when?
Atong
Si Papa
tablet.
may ningon mismo na ako ah.
Ang huna-huna man good siya. Hatag sa pero absent man ko so imo.
Oo, niya finders keepers, di na.
Oh.
Di man na finders keepers.
Iya naman nagdugal so nga na niya.
Ano daw?
Kani. So, mabawi ang cellphone ni Papa, ay mabawi ang tablet ni Papa sa mga.
Dili, kay siya may mismo nihatag. Di man na finders keepers.
Ah.
Gihatag din niya mismo.
So,
So it means ako na to. Unsa pa may lang istorya nimo?
ang kanang cellphone.
Ako agyapon.
So, yan.
Temporarily, pero wala pa man naayon ni ate ang cellphone. That means ako agyapon eh. Oh, wala ilang istorya. Hawa. Wala ilang istorya. So, ay,
Yaman na. Siya to.
dili man iya ha. Wala man niya napaayo. Wala man niya nagamit. Yan ako, pag maapaayo ni niya, iyahan na. Wala man niya napaayo. That means ako agyapon eh. Wala ilang istorya.
Ito na imo.
Dili. Sunod na, pag napaayo na ako ni hatag ko na sa imo.
Tulo na yung cellphone.
Dili. Awa. Ginala ka na dito. Huwag kay lubot. Hello.
Oh,
Sorry. Ano naman ko? Wala, nabalik sa sugod! Te! Hoy,
Pero yung aspa ayaw.
ayaw na din. Ano, istorya pa mga kapapa. Tapos, di ka. Ano makay ka sa cellphone? Ano, di ay? Ano?
speaking sa
Dili man mo kailangan og isa pa ka cellphone. Ginagamit man ako ang tablet para pang
Message? Yeah, from Michelle.
from Michelle. Wednesday
We
we
look
go
good
to
together?
Yes.
Prince Harry, remember when you told us to bring it at the Invictus Games?
Careful what you wish for.
Really? Please.
Hey,
hello.
Oh,
Wala.
look. Mulo.
Ano naman po eh. Nabalik ko sugod na wish siya. What are you hiding for me, bro?
Wala man.
Ikaw ha?
Eh.
Boys uniform. Ha? Ano si kurso gani mong kwaon sunod?
Bolsay. Dugo-logo. Kaya lagi nag-gilay. Bro.
Taga na mo pang-like mga kita.
Ay, daghan. Kita ko.
Eh, dili daghan as in.
Daghan.
April 12, April 10. Paano di mo kinapshare, no?
Ikaw ba?
One whole small things. Answer sa Pascal, smallest of things. Di ba?
Look.
Ako nga notebook lagi siyon. Kawaron. Dali naman ko dapat sa girl in the mirror.
Halang ano na nakakira. Uy.
Kung gulo. Kita ako ni mo, nag-ano ka, wala ka nagtinarong. Field demonstration. Saan yung field demonstration ninyo?
Kuan, nag-compete ang tanan grade levels 7 to 12 para musayaw. Tapos, ang pinaka-nice, madaog.
Okay. Mga ganap sa class.
Asa ko wala nagtarong?
Healthy relationship. February 9. Otora gating-ting. Turo ko dapit. Ka-cute!
Man. Bruh.
Mga kababayan. Hala, February na. Gilike di ko ni.
Kyle was right.
Eh, nag-skydiving. Ay, wala tayo. Wisher. Dali, alam ko. Eh, dimples. Ano ko dyan? Asa mo nagsugod December 2023.
Asa mo nagsugod?
Wait lang. Naki-headspot. Dili. STEM Christmas party ninyo, nice. Asa ka?
Pangitaan.
Wait. Sa first picture, naa ka sa pinakakilid dapit sa blackboard. Second picture, maurya ko.
Mm.
Sa third picture, ning lakaw na ka, wala ka ani.
Wa-
Fourth picture, wala ka. Fifth, wala ka.
Wala.
Wala
What do you mean?
Naa ka direta pala ning lalaki naka turtleneck.
Lo.
Kini puro ni bayi, wala ka. Tura, tapad ka pa ng lalaki naka turtleneck. Talagi Japanese.
What? Japanese?
Ay.
Asa?
Wa Pilipino ay tanan.
Pinoy na tananoy.
Ay,
Japanese sa
sorry.
siguro ng tawon.
Ay ka nang singkit.
Ah,
So-
okay. Lako na kisingkit. Kabang kasi mo pasabot na.
Tura na pa isa na nag ano ka thumbs up. Kauban yung lalaki nga og polo o polo. Wala ka ani, wala ka ani, wala ka ani, wala ka ani. Wala lagi. Wala. Hindi na lagi makawatan.
Nakawatan? What do you mean?
Ang ano eh. Black mask.
Ay.
Nakanaw ni ano,
okay.
ni katukong crush atong babae sa ta. Itong ni kanta tong LDR gani. Shorty.
Si Shorty.
Na siya kanaw.
Auda. Okay.
Ala, kiti sila uyab. Kining babae nakantit para ba niya kulot na siya kanaw classmate na ako.
Naikulot. Ay, wait. Baga ang antipara?
Baga.
Ay, tututon siya lang taon.
Oo, niya pula yung t-shirt ari.
Ay, okay, okay. Kabalo ko kasi mo pasabot.
Nangita.
Pwede mo
Tura,
share
ay
screen.
wala dili ikaw kung ikaw nagkanti para lang.
I-share screen di ay.
Okay. Ayaw mo balik sa sugod.
Agoy.
Dili yata try nang. Sa?
Wala.
Kasi kastorya ni mo. Ay, yes, salamat. Kini siya, oh. Ano siya?
Okay na.
Babae na.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Dili. Tura siya. Ay,
Bogs.
Eh.
Wala. Mo pa na ako first appearance?
dili.
Ah, okay.
Ganyan na raman ko si kakita ni mo. Nangita ako ni mo.
Ah, okay.
Wala pa ka. Ay, dili ikaw. Dili. Tura.
Bogs ka video.
Tura, nandiyan po.
Documentary ano yung mga kuan lagi?
Ah,
Oh, nasa YouTube ron. So,
okay.
pangita lang taron.
Asa ganitong kanaw ni Shote yan eh, tay sa
Kanaw
amot
ni
lang,
Shorty.
murag lang. Ha?
Asa di ba?
Wala na. Pas,
Kanaw ni Shorty.
kapoy.
Ay, kanaw ni Shorty.
Aha naman to, oy. Lakit mo, Dre.
Hello! Suso.
Wait lang. O, ni siya na itong katawag mo last time.
Hata, dili.
Ay,
Masagong pa na.
classmate gyapon ni mo.
Yeah.
Kini po siya na kanawong. Basta ano lang, familiar lang. Basta lang. Eh, nag-usap mo ano eh.
Paminawa.
Nag-usap mo ano eh. Manganta.
Yeah. Siya man una. Hala, skip.
Nice. Here. Pila na 2 minutes ay kapoy. Dash. Di na ako boy. 2 minutes. 2 hours, 2 minutes. 2 minutes dahil sa mukha. Had a chance to meet with amazing people. Familiar siya. Somehow. Tura, happy.
Bonks.
Naka-gray.
Oh,
Hindi na ako to paminaw. Naganta mo. Hindi ko to mapaminaw. Wala, naka-watch ganti para dre. Damn.
hala. Wala rin ko nakadyo para dyan. Okay.
Yun ay?
Ipum na.
Ay! Wala ko sa meron, kadali lang. Lakas ako.
Okay. While she's gone, let's just go.
My name is Jonathan Pye, and that was the fucking news!
Mr. Broccoli, you went viral on the internet because you were arrested and you were a piece of broccoli.
Yes.
You identify as broccoli? Or?
I am Mr. Broccoli, yes. Yes, that's right, please.
Do you have another name or not?
No, Mr. Broccoli is...
That's it.
Yeah.
You
that's
don't
it.
go about your daily business as a piece of broccoli.
I've always been a piece of broccoli.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
So do you have a job?
I just grow.
You what?
You know who I am?
You a care?
You don't know when I fucking when you pull up,
Come on, who are you then?
when they bickering.
Who?
When they bickering.
Who?
When they bickering!
Who the fuck's that?
Yeah, me!
Oh, wow, yes, brilliant.
This is the first thing I do. There's always one. I've chopped the end of my finger off. Might have to sit outside for a bit. It's a bit like... oof. Keep walking. Slowly.
Oh dear.
I don't get it. Why wouldn't Quagmire like me?
Because he thinks you're annoying. Like people who never shut up about their kids.
He would have been 4 today. I still don't understand. How do you drown in an inch of water?
Well, I guess I don't have a new sweater and a haircut.
Perhaps we should just continue the party at some other type of location.
No, wait. I know this guy. We went to high school together.
We did?
Oh, yeah. He was a loser then and he's a loser now. Oh, we used to kid this guy all the time. Bob misses his mommy. Bob misses his mommy.
Well, I hate to say it, but I guess we're supposed to dig this kid up. Any volunteers?
I did, kids.
Well, what is it then?
I'm pregnant.
Dad, I swear to God I didn't know that when I set you up with her.
You're pregnant, Meg. And
Dad, I swear to God I didn't know that when I set you up with her.
You're pregnant, Meg. And there's only one thing to do. Meg, can you turn over? I gotta get that thing out of there. You're sitting on my shirt. I gotta put it on this hanger. Now, I'm going to Michael's house to force him to marry you.
Big news out of Six Flags Columbus today as they unveil what promises to be the largest roller coaster in the United States.
That's right, Joyce. They call it the Holocaust. The ride has several Jewish groups up in arms as they go over the first rise. No, I'm kidding. They're actually pretty upset.
Wow. I had heard about the Holocaust, but I never believed it till right now.
And in the city, glasses are considered really sexy.
Dang, I hope her brother don't already have dibs on her.
My daughter would absolutely love you.
Of course, tonight is Randall Evan Battencourt. God, I hate understudies.
King Louis XVI has been sentenced to death.
Battencourt. God, I hate understudies.
You.
Of course, tonight is Randall Evan Battencourt. God, I hate understudies.
King Louis XVI has been sentenced to death by guillotine.
Hey.
The part of King Louis XVI will be played by Jean Desmenard.
Relax, you're gonna do great. Nailed it.
Let's go see the USA. They'll treat you right unless you're black or gay or Cherokee.
Oh no.
Oh, wow, I can't even imagine what twisted, deviant act you've thought of this time.
I want you to have sex with your father.
What?
Yep, and I'm gonna watch.
Hi, Glenn. Are you crazy? No! No way!
Glenn, remember, the thing we love most about each other is that we push each other way beyond our normal boundaries.
Did you enjoy your stay at the Marriott? No, I did not.
Now, one thing that makes us more cultured than our European counterparts is high school football.
Okay. So, it seems like he was gone. I'll be giving you some updates as soon as anything else develops. So, right. I don't know what else to. Alright, so I'll be making a follow-up video later on. Alright, goodbye for now. We'll see what happens next.
So that was our conversation, and you may notice that I made a reaction video after like over 20 minutes because she was gone. Now, let's just see. I'm recording this on the 27th of June. So we will see what's gonna happen next. I will just make a follow-up video. Hey guys, done editing here. A bit unfortunate news. Please read the text on screen right now. Alright, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.